When we turn on this machine, the product comes with a vacuum cleaner, 2 pull-out filters, a power adapter, a disc, and 2 air deflectors. The disc is placed on the table with a diameter of 17 cm. Firstly, we fix the machine in place and secure the windshields on both sides with screws. Then, we plug in the power and turn on the 2 switches on the left and right. The left switch controls the 2 fans on the left, while the right switch controls the 2 fans on the right. The wind speed of the 8.5 allo power machine is 1.5 to 1.8 meters per second, with a suction capacity of 150 cubic meters hour. The 10A high power machine has a wind speed of 1.8到2米每秒, with a suction capacity of 175 cubic